I try to love her, but she's slow. Red G gotta go.
Please give me space on my aliens. I see the hate through my Louis lens. Like hot sauce, we still shaking. Big boy diamonds, ice on me changing the climate. Black car, they never declining. All walked in, 30 hoes left behind.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tree TV. Had to call in reverse. It's your boy Tree TV. Had to change up the name. Something more simpler. Got the fro out today. Something slight. But finna head over to Infinity. See how much this repair gonna cost. I had some bad news. I know it's been a minute, man. Ooh. Alright guys, just touched down at Infinity. Finna head on inside here. I don't think I can record in there, but if I can, I will. Well, they told me what I thought they was gonna say. It's not gonna be cheap, man. He told me I'm looking at like 20 just for the repair. It's called the a rear cradle, by the way. But I'm finna pull the car into the shop so they can get a look at it. And yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all. All right, y'all, just got some bad news. They told me around like 3,000. I'll probably just sell it and buy a new one. I'm not really sure right now. But give me 1 second. I'm finna shit. I know we won't cause one goes on, so this can't be the last sad song. I done took a loss, man. Don't do this, don't vlog and drive. But shit. But yeah, y'all, I done took a loss, man. I'm thinking I'm just gonna sell it and just, you know, save up for a new one. Took a major L. It's been a minute since I took a L this big, man. I'll probably head back home, put it back on offer up. When I get back home, I'll show y'all the Infinity paperwork, the repair costs and all that. But yeah. Alright, I just touched down, back at the crib. Get this paper. Let me show y'all real quick. This paper they gave me. Basically, the issue was the rear cradle damage and my rear differential is leaking. They quoted me $3,000, man. So I'll probably just sell it and buy a new one, man. Buy a new one. Gonna be Tree without a G for a minute. But yeah, this will probably be a vlog of multiple days. I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, I'll probably vlog my next car meet. I went to a car meet when was it, Friday? But yeah. All right, y'all. We got a potential buyer. He's finna come by, check out the car. I'll let y'all know if I let her go yet. It's like 2 days has passed. I don't know, what's today, like the 18th? Yeah.
Today 18th.
You told throwaways like mayonnaise. If I want you dead, I pay 10. You tell them no, they bisexual. You give them some, they straight then.